Hi, my name's David Mish. I wrote for Mork and Mindy, The Muppets Take Manhattan, and Saturday Night Live, and I have a question for you. What the hell is musical satire? Well, it's songs that mock people or things or institutions or ideas. Let these folks explain it.
Whatever it is, I'm against it.
They never return, no, they never return.
On one hill, be my love.
Money, 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 money.
Sail away.
Like tread upon a baby steel.
What is this song all about?
Morning Arizona, moving to Babylonia.
So if you're interested in hearing almost 150 brilliant, hilarious, often outrageous songs from pretty much every musical genre, folk, rock, Broadway, classical, opera, movies, TV, Tin Pan Alley, country, metal, even ballet, the world of musical satire is for you. And keep in mind, because satire comes from culture, the course is as much cultural history as music appreciation, which makes you think about where musical satire comes from, the timeless, primordial impulse of human beings to tell other human beings how stupid they are. To music! Hope to see you there.